ChatGPT in WhatsApp? Yes, it's possible, and easier than you think. Watch this video and learn how to activate it in just a few minutes. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So, first, open your App Store or Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. If you don't, go ahead and update it. Once that's done, simply open the app. When you're in WhatsApp and you're in the chat section, look at the top right corner. You'll see a plus icon. Tap on it. Right after that, choose the new contact option and follow my steps carefully. Now you can add a name. You can just type ChatGPT. That's what I'll use here. Next, tap on Phone, and from the list that appears, select United States. Once you've done that, tap on Mobile and then enter this number. 800-242-8478. When you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Now open that new chat. You'll see that the number is verified, and now we can start typing our prompt, just like you would in the ChatGPT app. Wait a few seconds and you'll get your response. That's how easily you can use ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.